my balcony, Cancun coastline. Out there is Isla Mujeres. This is Rio Palace Peninsula. Off in the distance is Rio Caribe. Those are the adult villas. This is the tower that I'm in, and units are the suites that have a tub in them. The rest of them all are balcony rooms facing the ocean. This is the jacuzzi tub. We are filling ours. The villas have a round jacuzzi tub for two. This is like a back and forth for two. It's taking quite a long time to fill up. But it's around 5:30 p.m. on a Sunday. Pretty quiet downstairs. That's the way we like it.